Hello everyone, and welcome back to the JTECH Game Studios YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over my little 2D game that I've got going in development. Not for very long, it's been in development for about a few weeks or something like that, and I've already gotten quite far with building the levels because I'm just put a few cubes down and hope for the best, really. It's quite fun developing the game, and I'm hoping when it's ready it will be all up and it will be nice and fun, or as fun as I can possibly make it. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, then I would suggest you do so, because I have some pretty exciting videos coming in the summer, which is in a few days from now, which is when the British summer holidays start, or my summer holidays. There are some time differences in the UK, so hopefully I'll be able to get it out for the Portal network early access first, and then like maybe a month or two later I will be putting it up for download on my actual website, so you won't have to sign up for a Portal network account about 1 month, 2 months after. Anyway, so subscribe, leave a like, comment what did you think was good about the video, and feel free to give me suggestions for games that I could make, because I would like the community to share their ideas with games that they would like. Anyway, let's get on with the video. So now I'm just going to put some background footage of developing the actual game, House Liberators. That is what I called it, after having the idea because of the recent announcement of a Luigi's Mansion remake for the Nintendo 3DS. I thought to myself that it would be interesting if there could be a 2D version of a game that is inspired by Luigi's Mansion. So that's what I've done. So the house idea is because it's a mansion in Luigi's Mansion, but I do have quite a bit of originality. So instead of ghosts, it's monsters. You use a rocket launcher against those monsters instead of a Hoover or a vacuum cleaner, and it's level based, so basically you'll be able to go from one part, so from the start of the house, and then after you go from the start of the house through, get rid of all the monsters, and then make your way to the end point, which will be a finish flag. So what will happen after you've done that is you'll get the option to go to a store, because the owner of the house will give you some gold money, which is, the gold is the currency used in the game. So you could either go to the shop, spend that on a better item, or save up so that you can get an even better item and move on to the next level instead of going straight to the shop. So that the options will appear after you've reached the flag. Once you have contacted the flag, the two buttons will appear on the screen. One will be next level and the other will be store. So that should work in theory. It will definitely work. Anyway, so the progress, I've gotten quite far in the space of like a few weeks. Yeah, it was a few weeks, and I am pleased with the progress I have made in the development of this game so far. And the progress, if I'm it seems like with the progress that I'm making, I will be on track for a late August, early September release, I'm hoping. Anyway, so so you'll start off in the game after starting a new save or whatever, I'm probably not going to have saves in there because that'll take a long time to implement into the game. So I'm going to go with a tutorial. I've gone with a tutorial level first, and then that will teach you the basics of the game and how you and the controls and how you play the game exactly. Then from there you'll get just like 5 bits of gold, and you'll be able to buy something like upgraded rockets or some armor or something like that. I haven't quite decided on all of the items you could possibly buy in the store. Anyway, I'm gonna have to end this video in about like a minute or something. What is gonna happen is after you all the levels are in one scene, so instead of changing from one scene to another, you'll just be teleported from one level to another, or from one level to the store and then to the next level, and from that. And there will be one store for each level as well, might as well say that. So there'll be 8 houses in one street, which is my version of a world in this game, and there will be 4 streets, so it's going to be quite a short game. So it's just as a small time waster platformer sort of thing, a little bit like the original Super Mario Brothers, which worked out really well. And oh yeah, one more thing about the difficulty of the levels is it will be progressive difficulty, so as you go along the difficulty will become gradually more difficult, which will eventually become quite satisfying because it'll build up your skills and then it'll stay challenging and still satisfying, hopefully. So I'm hoping that I'll get some good results from that. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. Like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.